Welcome to the ZTTFIBER installation guide for the ZTTFIBER APC Field Assembly Optical Connector. Insert the screw cap onto the cable. Make the cable straight at 15 mm from the end of the cable. Remove the cable sheet starting from the marking made with stripping plier. And the type buffet tool. Put the cable into the clamp tray, and then use the stripping plier to remove the fiber coating. Clean the fiber with a line-free wipe scalded in alcohol. Cut off the fiber using a fiber cleaver. Push the cable into the connector. The fiber must be slightly curved. Remove the safety clip under the connector. Press the secure button to make it lock the fiber. Screw the cap onto the connector. Cut off the excess around medium. Installation complete.